Good morning, everybody. It's Mr. Cognetti from Citizenship Academy, and today we're going to be working on lesson number 19 in Module 6. All right, we are getting close to the end of the year, meaning we're going to do mainly just we're not going to learn too much new material. We're going to really start practicing, getting really good at what we know, okay? So today, and for the next couple days, we're really going to just keep working on addition problems with bigger numbers, so 2-digit numbers. And now we're going to get into the point where you get to pick the method you want to use. Okay, you should start to know which method you like more than others, especially since we've been online and I haven't had a chance to work with all of you. So you guys probably have a method in your head and it's like, oh yeah, I definitely like drawing a picture. Or I definitely like using a number bond, splitting it into its tens. Or I like putting the numbers on top of each other and doing it that way. Okay, so today I'm going to look at, we probably won't get through too many different number sentences, but I am going to take one number sentence and solve it a couple different ways so that you can check your work. Hopefully I'll do it the way you do it as well. All right. So I want to start off with a number sentence that is 39 plus 43. So go ahead and write that down. Plus 43. So this is the problem we're going to work on for a little while, and I'm going to solve this a couple different ways. The first way I want to solve this, one of my favorites, one we start at the very beginning of the year, is drawing a picture, okay? We're going to draw a picture. That's definitely been something I've been saying all year. So I'm going to start on the left side, start with my first number in the number sentence. From this number, I'm going to start with my tens, okay? I see 3 tens, 3 in the tens place, so I'm going to draw 3 tens. Remember, these are tens drawings, so there isn't 3, there's 3 tens, meaning 10, 20, 30. Okay, so that represents 30. And then we need 9 ones to represent 9, so 39. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, some stuff that I can already tell from solving this problem and drawing out the picture is that I only need one more 1 to make another group of 10. And I can look over here in this number and see that we have 3 extra ones over here. So I'm definitely going to be making more groups of 10. Okay, so 39 plus 43. So start with my tens. I have 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, I said 4 ones. I have 4 tens. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, right? That's where we get the 40 from, 43. Now, how many ones do I have in 43? I have 3 ones, so let's go ahead and draw 3 ones. Okay, now we need our answer. We don't need our answer in number form over here. We need our answer in picture form. So remember, we're going to take both these pictures and combine them, okay? Oh, that's not what I wanted. If I were to move all of these over here, but remember, I'm not actually going to move them. I'm going to just redraw them over here. So I have 3. I'm going to redraw it over here. 1, 2, 3 tens. 10, 20, 30. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 tens here that I need to draw as part of this picture. 10, 20, 30, 40. So there's 4. There's a lot of tens over there now. Okay? It's a lot. Now I have 9 ones. I'm going to draw those 9 ones over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So I have my 9 ones. Now I only have 3 ones left to draw. So I'm going to I'll show you. I'll draw them down here like this. So if I can make another 10, I'm going to circle another 10. I know you can't see me, but you can see my hand. So I'm going to circle this, and then I need 1 from down here. So I'm going to come down and get that 1. Boom, now I have a 10 here. Another group of 10. So we're going to come up here and write our answers. Let's count all the 10s we have here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is our 8th 10. So we have 8 groups of 10, so that's going to make 80. And then we have 1, 2, 2 extra ones. 82. So 39 plus 43 equals 82. And this is a method that we can solve, or this is how we solve it by drawing a picture. Okay? You might have done it a different way. You might have done a number bond. All right. So if you didn't solve it by using a number bond and want to try solving it by using a number bond, go ahead and pause the video and solve the problem, and then you can hit play and we'll go over it together. All right. If you don't like solving it with a number bond and you chose to solve it by drawing a picture, you don't have to go now and do it with a number bond, but I am going to ask for to pay attention. All right, because we do want to you can still learn stuff from seeing other methods, okay? So, if I'm trying to get these, I want to break these down into its tens and ones. I want to add the tens, and I want to add the ones, okay? So let's see. Let's break these down into the tens and ones. I'm going to do both of them. 39, I see there's 3 tens, so 10, 20, 30. That would make 30. Then we have 9 ones, so just a 9. I'll change the color, hold on. So, remember, part plus part equals whole. This is 30 plus 9 equals 39. Yes, it does. Okay, so now we have 4 tens in the number 43, so 4 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40. And then 3 ones is 3, okay? So now I have more numbers, but I have easier numbers to add with, okay? So I don't have 39 anymore because I split it up. I don't have 43 anymore because I split it up. So now I basically have 30 plus 9 plus 40 plus 3. However, remember, when we're adding, it doesn't matter what order we add in. I don't have to add 30 plus 9. I'm going to add my tens. 30 plus 40. Okay, so I'm going to bring these down here. 30 plus 40 equals. Okay, so there, I used my 30. I used my 40. So let's do 30 plus 40. Well, those are 2 big numbers, but I'm going to look at this. Oh, this is 3 tens. So instead of 30, I'm going to look at this as 3 tens plus 4 tens. Okay, so that's going to be 4, 5, 6, 7. That's going to be 7 tens. Okay, I can do that. 7 tens. What number makes 7 tens? Well, let's put a 7 in the tens place. And I didn't say that. I didn't even talk about ones, so that must mean there's 0 ones. Okay, that makes the number 70. Good. 30 plus 40 equals 70. Got it. Now I look back up here. 9 isn't crossed off and neither is 3. I still have to add those together. It's like adding the ones together now. 9 plus 3. We can all do that. We can count on. Let's put 9 in our head and count 3 more. Ready? 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so we got 12. All right, so what we did, we took our tens and we added our tens together. Then we took our ones and we added our ones together. I used my 9. I used my 3. So now I'm left with 70 and 12. But I'm not done. I need to add those together now and we'll get our answer. So 70 plus 12. Okay, here we have still a math equation with 2 two-digit numbers. But let's look, we're going to add our tens places together. We're going to do 7 plus 1. What's 1? 7 10 plus 1 10, or 7 plus 1? It's 8. So we have 8 tens. So then 0 ones plus 2 ones. Well, 0 plus 1, 2, right? Plus 2 gives us 2. And that's where we get our 82. And it's the same as this answer up here. Okay? Awesome. We did 30 plus 40. Again, that was adding the tens. 3 tens plus 4 tens. Then we did the ones. 9 plus 3. Very similar to what we did here, okay? So this is the method of focusing on breaking our numbers into its tens and ones, and then adding our tens with our tens, and our ones with our ones. All right, and if you understand either of those methods that I just used, you understand the pattern of these numbers and how they work and how they add together. Once you understand that, we can start using that shortcut I introduced us to. Remember, instead of lining the problem up like this, we can put them on top of each other. Okay, so we're going to look at it this way this time. This is the third method we're using to solve this problem. So instead of going across, we're going down. Here is our equal sign, and we put our plus sign over here. Now remember, this is the same thing. We add our ones together and our tens together, just like we did in our last problem, just like we did in our problem when we drew our pictures. Remember, we counted our tens first and drew all of our tens together. Then we counted our ones and drew all of our ones together. We're doing the same thing in this process. However, remember, this is the time we start with the ones. We start with the ones place on here, and that might be because we create an extra 10. So let's see, we have 9 plus 3. Let's do that. 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so I have the number 12, but I'm going to write it over here. When we look at the number 12, do I have a group of 10 in it? I do, because 12 is bigger than 10, and there's 1 in the tens place right there. So I cannot write 12 down here, because I have 2 digits, and there's only space for 1. So if I'm writing, let's see, ones place, here's going to be my ones place number. Tens place, here's going to be my tens place number. Okay, let's look at the number 12. Take the ones place number, which is 2, and we write 2 in there. Then we take this 10, and well, we have another 10, so we put it over here. We carry the 1. So that's what we call it. We're carrying that 10 over to where the groups of 10s should be, which is here. So now instead of 3 plus 4, we have 1 plus 3 plus 4. Okay? So what's 1 plus 3? That's 4. So then we add those together and get 4. So then 4 plus 4 is, yeah, we should know our doubles. 4 plus 4 is 8. Did we get the same answer as the other 2 ways? Yes, we did. Now you might be looking at the problem and go, well, Mr. Cognetti, that one was the quickest. You got the least amount of writing in it. That must be the easiest. This is a great method to use. If you understand how it works, awesome. And if you like it, great, use it. Again, I still visualize things better and picture it better when I see in picture form. But we're all different. We all like different methods, okay? So if you like this one, awesome. We're going to do one more problem. I'm going to go through it a couple different ways. And then that'll be the end for today. All right, so we'll look at one more problem that I'm going to solve each way. So what I want you to do is to write down this next problem, and then I want you to pause the video and solve it. All right, remember, you can solve it however you choose. 66 plus 29 is our next problem. 66 plus 29 equals. Okay, so go ahead, solve this on your own, hit play, and I'm going to start with the picture form. Okay, so here we go. Hopefully you have an answer on your paper or your whiteboard and you're ready to watch me. I don't have too much time left in this video, so I want to keep moving quickly through this. So have your ears open. I'm going to start by drawing 66, okay? Always start with the tens. There are 6 tens. A lot. So I'm going to draw all those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a lot. Plus 6, or with 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus, now I come over here and I got to draw 29 in picture form. I see 2 tens. I draw 2 tens. I see 9 ones. I'm going to draw 9 ones. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now I'm guessing I'm probably going to be making another group of 10 here because I only need 1 more. But let's see. All right, we're adding our tens first. 6 tens plus 2 tens. 6, 7, 8. Again, you don't even have to add those together in your head. You could literally just say, okay, I see 6. 1. Oh, hold on. I'll do it in red so we can see. I see 6 right there. I'm going to draw 6 right here. 4, 5, 6. I see 2 tens right there. I'm going to draw 2 tens. 1, 2. So now I combined all my 10s together. It gives me 8 10s. Now I have 6 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, well, now I need to draw 9 more 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Made a group of 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Didn't make another group of 10. So, how many groups of 10 do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus this one more, I have 9 groups of 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 extra 1s. So my answer is 95. I have 9 10s, 5 1s. 9 10s, 5 1s. Awesome. And I'm actually running out of time, so I'm going to show you the one method of where I put them on top of each other. Because, like I said, all these methods are very similar in the fact that we are adding our 10s with our 10s and our 1s with our 1s. And that's what we're going to do right now. Let me get rid of this. Okay. So we're going to look at our 1s first. We have 6 plus 9. That's kind of big, actually. So I'm going to put the bigger number first, 9 in my head, and count 6 more. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15, all right. So I have a group of 10. I'm going to put the 5, the 1 in the 1's place, and then carry the 1 over here. So now I have 1 10 plus 6 10s plus 2 10s. Well, 1 plus 6 is 7. So we have 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. And we get the same answer of 95. Awesome. Thank you for sticking with me through those problems. I know this one was a little bit longer than most of the videos, but this is the kind of stuff we're going to be doing for the rest of the year, okay? We're going to just be getting really good at what we already know. We're going to work on really big number sentences. So good job. Hopefully you guys saw the method you chose. Hopefully you got the questions right. And if you didn't, hopefully you saw where you went wrong and were able to correct it. Okay? You guys are awesome. Good luck with your Seesaw or Google Forms homework. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, everybody. Peace.